Today we are going to see about the Unit 5 mobile computing. It's about the mobile platforms and its application. Here we are going to talk about the mobile device operating system and also its requirements it's needed, and the commercial mobile operating system like iOS, BlackBerry, Android, Windows Phone, and what are the different commerce structure, that means e-commerce structure we are using, and also the payment issue and also its security issues. So today I'm giving a only synopsis of it. The synopsis of your mobile device operating system is nothing but we are going to talk about the structure and the Java ME platform, and also what is special constraints and requirements it is needed. Then we are going to talk about the commercial mobile operating system like on Windows Mobile, Palm OS, Symbian OS, iOS, Android, and BlackBerry oriented operating system. So the mobile device operating system is nothing but we are calling as a mobile OS, which is specifically designed to run on the mobile. So most of the time we are using an Android or iOS only, means your iPhone. In both, whatever the operating system we are using it inside it, and it's called calling as a mobile OS, and it's really needed to manage your resources and interface. Then the mobile device operating system is consists of your applications. It are having an OS laboratory, then device operating system, and low-level hardware and manufacturing driver device. Then the mobile OS will consist of an multitasking, scheduling. These are the different features of your mobile. It's going to handle all your multitasking. Then it will schedule all your process. Also the memory allocation you're going to give for it. Then file system interface. Then keypad interface. Internet or output interface. Protection, security, multimedia features. Then we are going to talk about the J2MA platform. It is a technology way you are going to open your small devices like an mobile phones, pages, and personal organization designed by an Sun Microsystem. It is the first platform which can able to handle your small devices. From that only we can able to modulate our operating system there. This is a Java ME architecture. It supports a high-level applications in the application layer. Then have its profile, option package, vendor-specific classes. Depending upon the mobile-specific area, also the configuration and the name operating system and the device and hardware, all the things will be happen for the one version to another version. Then in the Java ME platform, we have a different device characteristics from the higher-end consumer device to the low-end consumer device. We are giving the platform for both higher-end and the lower-end devices. Then regarding about the commercial mobile operating system, it consists of an Windows Mobile, Palm OS, Symbian OS, iOS, Android, and BlackBerry operating system. In the Windows Mobile OS, we are going to talk about it's a compact operating system. We are called as it's a very user friendly one because it can be based on your Microsoft Windows only, and it can be able to recommend it having various recommend to manipulate your data also even from the mobile. You don't need the system to manipulate your data. That means you change your data, but you can able to use it in the mobile itself. You can able to do it like in your WPS office. Then we have an PDA, Palm Talk, and Pocket DC. These are the different platforms of your phone. It can be able to help your Windows Mobile OS. Then it's not just an introduction about the family of OS. In 19C, it has been emerged. Then all the version from C 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, and Women Packard to 3.5, we had done it. Then 2007, 6 and up to 8, 6.1, and 2009, it's 6.5, and February 10. Then Palm OS is nothing but an Ember operating system designed for the ease of use with a touch-based graphical user interface. It had run on the ARM architecture. The Palm OS is a single tasking OS. It is not multitasking. It is used for only one thing. It's in single die, and version is from 5.x to 6.0 and higher. It having a multitasking kernel and it having memory management. It also support your hand recognition. Then it can provide an expansion support, hot sensing technology, and it support your TCP or IP network access. Then Palm OS is an support a serial boot, USB, infrared, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connection. The Symbian OS is a 32-bit little endian operating system. It is a multitasking operating system depending upon your peripherals, and kernel runs in a privileged mode, export the service to the user application via user library. And Symbian OS is nothing but the libraries include networking communication, input-output interface, and it uses services, the kinds of information contained by the kernel. These are the architecture of your Symbian OS. It have your libraries, applications, and your kernel value mission. Then server, it having OS based kernel and hardware. These are the features. It having a data caching, platform security, multimedia, and client serving architecture, also in hardware application layer. In the iPhone OS, we have it based on your match on your kernel and the Darwin code. It will provide your BSG file system input network and network command. It's very common in your iPhone because the security, depending upon your kernel, also depending upon your Darwin, it will show it. Then iOS, it's an Apple proprietary mobile. Here we have an iPad, iTouch, and Apple TV, iPhone OS. And again, we have an property of an iOS is a Unix-based OS. Then we have an Apple property. It installed 625 times. It has been installed. And these are the architecture of your Mac OS X architecture. Then for the Android, you're going to trademark your Android rule permission necessary to use the Android trademark. And Android is a Linux-based mobile operating system for the device like tablets and the smartphones. And this is an Android developer. Here had been used about this. It is about the history of your Android, and it's also about history of an Android. And these are the structure of your Android. It has been used, distributed to Apache, and then created by Linux and Linux. Thank you for your patience today.